a new, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home.
I'm janked up and I'm banked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it. I'm janked up and I'm banked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it, you elevate it.
I came over, I ain't sober, I'm still drunk, that's hangover. Might run it back when this page over. You the best thing, I done slaved over. Gon' arch your back and been way over. It's overdue for that understressing. Over him, now you underdressing. Call me up and I come finessing. Like, ooh, we shot it, what it do, what it don't. Baby, you a queen, you can move how you want. You was rocking with me when I couldn't stay afloat. They ain't never saying nothing wavy to a boat. Like, eyes up, look at me, now I'm the captain. Brought the camera, time for action. Split the legs just like a fraction. Tuck the napkin, time for snacking. You a mother meal. Tell me that it's mine, baby, tell me that it's real. Hit it to the max, well, tell me how it feel. It's gonna be a minute, cause I'm in it for the thrill. Make her feel like heaven, she gon' put me in the wheel. And willingly, I wanna do anything she wanna do. I ain't even wanna boo, but this is what the karma do. It's hard to be apart from you, cause ooh, I
love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, so if you've been watching me as of late for videos and wigs and anything that I personally cop a unit with my own coins, I like to give you guys subscriber shout outs. So today's subscriber shout out is gonna go to my girl, BJ Jackson. Shout out to you, boo. I really do appreciate you. I appreciate all the love and support. If you want a subscriber shout out, all you have to do is make sure you're coming under most videos and making sure you are liking the videos, and I will give you a subscriber shout out. So now let's get into this wig. Okay, so another thing your girl likes to do when I cop a unit with my own coins is give myself a shout out for copping a unit with my own coins. So go Chrissy, go Chrissy, go Chrissy. Yes, honey, I cop old girl with my own coins, okay? And I'm sorry, y'all, if y'all hear my smoke detector beeping, we keep forgetting to buy the freaking battery, okay? So I'm sorry, don't judge me. We will be getting it today. But anyways, okay, so the unit that I am rocking is by Outre. It is from their Melted Hairline collection. It is the HD transparent lace, and it is in the style Ceidy. I think I'm saying that right, but I'll, you know, you guys obviously probably see it in the title, and plus I'm gonna show it somewhere on the screen. I have this unit in the color DRFF Golden Amber, and this unit is 16 inches long. It says baby hairs included, pre-attached wide elastic band, and it is heat safe up to 400 degrees. And I did apply heat to this unit, as you guys should have seen in the styling portion of this video. So it says soft HD transparent lace, 5-inch deep parting, completely pre-plucked hairline and side burns, pre-attached wide elastic band, natural baby hairs, redesigned comfort, fit, ear contour. Okay, so yeah, that is honestly my favorite part about this particular wig, because I have very, very large ears, okay? I say that in most videos, but you guys, like, that ain't even all of them. That ain't even all of the ear. Like, my ears are very, very large, and I end up having to cut off a lot of hair to get any unit to fit like I want it to fit, just so it can fit around my ears, because like the average person ears probably stop right here. So it seems like that is the case whenever I'm trying to wear any wig, okay? Like that is kind of like where it stops at. Meanwhile, I got a whole other half of an ear, okay? So in order for my wigs to fit like I want them to fit, especially on the side, like that is a big deal for your size. Like you have to have that extra hair gone. So I love the fact that this is a redesigned comfort fit ear contour, because it made it really, really easy to lay the wig down. And then on the back, it's just showing you guys the special colors. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys see what it looks like on the stock card. And oh girl is really rocking this color. What color is that she has on? She has on the DR Copper Brown. And I really like this color as well. And I feel like this is a safe color option, that Copper Brown, for people that are a little bit more timid when it comes to color. And then on the inside, she is wearing the macchiato, which is really, really pretty. Macchiato. Is it macchiato? Like the drink? I don't know, child. She's wearing that, the Copper Brown, and the DRFF Amber, Golden Amber, which is the color that I have. So they're showing that. And then they're showing the frontal effect, because even though it does have the effect of a frontal, this is not a frontal. And then on the back is the special colors. So with this unit, as far as shedding and tangling, honestly, I have not noticed either. I actually did not really run my fingers through this unit, because when it's wigs like this, I don't like to run my fingers through them. Like, I did a little bit, you know, just to create that sort of bushy look, but I don't like to do a whole lot to them, because I like to preserve these units and keep them for as long as I can. And I've noticed that, you know, when I start brushing through it or combing through it or finger combing it too much, then at that point I start to mess up the curls and the look that I have. So I'm just gonna keep it a whole buck with you. I haven't noticed any stray out the packages, but I hadn't did a whole lot. So I'm gonna do with that what you want to do with that. Now, as far as this unit being big head friendly, I do feel like this wig is big head friendly, but I am an average cap size, so I can only go off of my own head, okay? So that's something else. Do with that what you want to do with that, sis. But yeah, that is pretty much it as far as details and specs. I do also want to throw out that it is HD lace, and I feel like it does look like HD lace. And as I stated, this unit did come, like, basically it woke up like this, okay? Like, I did not have to do any extra stuff to it. Like, the lace is HD, and the hairline is definitely pre-tweezed. I didn't tweeze it whatsoever. Oh girl, just woke up like this. This what you see is what you get, pretty much, okay? Whatever styling and whatever you saw me do at the beginning, that is all I did, okay? I didn't do any extraness off camera, okay? I know some people always think, well, what else did you do to it? Nothing, girl, nothing, okay? If it's something that's a little bit more repetitive, I'll finish off camera. Like if I'm fluffing, I'm just gonna let you guys see me fluff for 2 or 3 minutes, but that is all that I have done, okay? So yeah, that is pretty much it as far as details and specs go. Now, if you're interested in my pros and cons as well as the full 360, then please continue to watch. Okay, so my con with this wig is, if I just have to throw something out there, I would say that the parting space is a con for me, and possibly the price, because I don't remember the price of it. Let me look up the price, because that may be a con as well. So I will say that the price isn't great. It's not terrible, but it's not great either. So I'll throw that in there with the con, because this unit is $39.94, and although this unit does have the frontal effect, it is not a frontal, okay? And it's a shorter unit, so I'll throw that in as a con as well, girl. Okay, so those are my cons with this wig. Now, my pros with this wig is the hairline is phenomenal. I love the curls as well. I think the lace blended in really nicely. The styling of this was really, really easy. So in my opinion, as far as, you know, ear-to-ear lace goes, this is big head friendly in my opinion. What else? I also love that ear-to-ear contour thing, or whatever it's called, that made it really easy for me to rock this wig with my big yams. Okay, that's what my granddad used to call my ears. So yeah, those are my pros with this unit. So would I recommend this wig? Okay, this is another unit that I feel like it depends. And it depends, I don't know. I feel like right now the synthetic wigs are just expensive. But I will say, a lot of times, my units that are like this, they do have a longer lasting time. And I'm very hard on wigs, okay? Wigs that I plan on keeping, I am hard on them, okay? So, if these type of units to me, as far as synthetic wigs go, they last the longest, other than my really, really short synthetic wigs. So maybe the price isn't too bad, but it just depends on you as a person. Would I personally buy it again? Probably. So I guess for me, I would recommend it, but it just depends on you, and it depends on your price point, because I also feel like there are other wigs that are less expensive that you can get this same sort of look, okay? You may not get the HD lace, it may not be pre-tweezed, but you can still get the same sort of vibe. So I just think it depends on you as a person. So that's that on that. All right, so let me go ahead and give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up, honey, okay? So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. Y'all, I swear, between the dogs barking and the thing beeping, okay, this has been a heck of a video, okay, so don't judge me. But that is pretty much it. Let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you own this unit and what you think, and if you agree with me or disagree with me about, you know, recommending it and all that good stuff, and if you agree or disagree with my cons. I am interested in hearing all of those things down below in the comments. And if you are interested in this wig, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions that you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm HelpToMissC on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.